Hi everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about one more tricky interview question. Are floating inputs are allowed in the CMOS design? The answer is no, because the floating inputs are not allowed in the CMOS design. Now let us see what happens if the input is floating. That means the gate of both PMOS and NMOS is not connected to either VDD or ground. Since MOS gate is insulated by oxide, it behaves like small capacitors with very high impedance. Because of this, the voltage at the floating input can be drift due to the capacity coupling or leakage current. Suppose this floating voltage settles somewhere in between the threshold voltage of the transistor in case both PMOS and NMOS can partially become on at the same time. If both transistors are partially on, the direct current path is created from VDD through the PMOS, then through the NMOS to the ground. This is called short circuit current or short circuit current. This increases the static power consumption and it can cause heating and reliability problems. At the same time, the output voltage becomes unstable because small noise variations at the input. And this can slightly change the conduction of the transistor, making the output randomly switch between 0 and 1. So let's see from the CMOS inverter diagram, we can clearly see that floating input can causes major problems. There is unpredictable logic behavior and unnecessary current flow from the VDD to ground. This is why in the ASIC design, we always connect unused inputs to the defined logic level using tie high or tie low cells. Floating inputs are never allowed in the proper digital CMOS design. This leads to short circuit current power, increased power consumption, and unpredictable output behavior. For more such videos, follow us on Instagram and YouTube. Thank you.